That's it. That's his house.
This time on a very special episode of Ikea Cribs.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Ikea Cribs. I'm here showing you my new crib that I just got a week ago. Here we've got the living room and kitchen. As you can see, I've got a 5,000-inch TV. Both sides, it's like a cube. As you can see, here I've got my thing. I've got my couch here. It was only $44 for this entire couch. We've got our kitchen here. As you can see, fully packed, full of food. I'm good for weeks. Here we've got my, I don't know, like $5 kitchen. We got my microwave. That's where I cook all of my, never mind. Moving on. We've got my bathroom. This is where I do all my shit. Pooping, on my peeing. This is where I wash my hands, but not really. I just tell my mom I do that. This is where I don't do anything in there. Alright, moving on. This is my bedroom. This is where I keep all the chicks. If I had chicks. This is where I work. I work from home. I'm a writer. I make rap music. As you can see, that's my neighbor Craig's house. As you can see, he's a little bitch. He keeps insulting me about my pit bull, always shitting in my yard, like I'd clean that up. It's good for the grass. What are you doing? This is my roommate. He sleeps under the fridge.
Yes, I do.
Moving on, this is my kid Noah's bedroom. He doesn't come here anymore. He's with the wife. Bitch. This is where he played with all his toys when he was still here. Now he's gone forever. This is where he kept all his clothes. But now he's gone forever. And this is where he slept. This is where I would tell him bedtime stories every night. Thank you, man. Thank you for watching this episode of Ikea Cribs. Peace out.